I'm JT.
And I'm Ariella.
And we are the two people that are going to be teaching you at the next Job Search Summit. We absolutely love teaching these classes, and let me tell you why. It may sound crazy, 6.5 hours, but I promise you it is going to fly by like that, because we know that up until now, learning about job search has been super boring and very uninspiring, but we're going to change all that. We're going to give you the information and tools and resources you need to completely ignite your job search, which is what you need right now, right? You need a little motivation. You're also going to be hanging out with a lot of amazing people. You're going to make new friendships. It is a one-of-a-kind experience, and it's only $10. Ariella, tell them all the things that they're going to learn at the session.
Absolutely. So this session is designed to energize your job search, and you're going to learn how to write your resume so it impresses recruiters, optimize your LinkedIn profile so you can get found by recruiters, write the dreaded cover letters, prepare for interviews, and work on your networking strategy, which is going to be so key, especially in 2021. So definitely join us for this session because you're going to learn a lot of great information to really get excited about finding a new job.
Yeah, and I think one of my favorite parts about this is that it's also staffed by all of our trained career coaches at Work It Daily. So you're going to get to ask those questions in real time. You know, when you're watching something and you have a question, boom, we're going to answer for you right on the spot. Plus, you're going to get this amazing workbook that you'll have afterwards and access to the recording for another 7 days after the live event so that you can go back over and over again and really jumpstart this whole process. And I'm going to give away a little hint. By attending the summit, we also give you a very exclusive deal on Work It Daily. But I'm not going to tell you about that until you sign up for the summit, but I am telling you it's phenomenal. So what are you waiting for? It is only $10, 6.5 hours of amazing live training. We guarantee your mind's going to be blown. We guarantee you're going to get excited about your job search, which I know you think is impossible, but literally thousands of people have been through our job search summit. And all you have to do is go look on social media, go look on our TikToks, and you will see people are landing their dream jobs. People are getting raises in a pandemic. And it's all because they attended the job search summit. Okay. All right. Then we want to see you there. Take care, everyone.
Bye.